I'm Anil Kumar, and in this particular video we will learn how to solve a linear system where fractions are involved. And this is kind of a typical question where the variables are in the denominator. Question is, solve the following linear system for x and y. 1 over x plus 3 over y equals to 3 over 4, and 3 over x minus 2 over y equals to 5 over 12. Now the strategy here is, you can write 1 over x as another variable. Let's say a is equals to 1 over x and b equals to 1 over y. Now that helps to really simplify this question. So if a is 1 over x, I can rewrite these equations as a plus 3b equals to 3 over 4, and the other equation for me will be 3a minus 2b equals to 5 over 12. You get the idea. So we replaced 1 over x with a, 1 over y with b, and wrote this equation in kind of linear form. So that's the beauty. So this substitution is kind of critical to solve the given question. Now let's get rid of this fraction 4. So we'll multiply by 4 on both sides for the left one equation, right? So we are working with two equations, right? First, let us simplify these equations. Then we will eliminate or substitute, right? So if I cross multiply, I get 4 times a plus 3b equals to 3, or 4a plus 12b equals to 3. On the other hand, if I multiply by 12, right, so I get 12 times 3a minus 2b equals to 5. 12 times 3 is 36. A minus 24b equals to 5. So these are my two equations to work with. Now, here we have 4a and 12b. There we have 36a and minus 24b. So now, what we can do is, let's say this is our equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. So we can multiply this equation number 1, by 2. Then we'll get 24, right? So let's times this equation by 2 and rewrite. So if I times this by 2, what do I get? I get 8a plus 24b, 24b, let me write 24b, equals to 6. So that is what we get. Let me call this as our equation number 3. Correct? Now to simplify, what we can do is, let's use this side. So what we have one equation which is 36 minus 24b equals to 5, and that is our equation number 2. And now we have equation 3, which is 36a, which is 8a plus 24b equals to 6. That is our equation number 3. Now if I add these two equations, then I can eliminate b's, right? So let us add them. So if I add 36 plus 8 will give me 44, right? So I get 44a equals to 5 plus 6 as 11, or a could be written as 11 over 44, and that gives me 1 over 4 as a value of a, right? So that is how we can get a. Once we get a, we know what x is, since x is 1 over a, right? So, or a is 1 over x. So this is equals to 1 over x, and that means x is equals to 4. Is it okay? So we get the value of x. Now let us find y. To find y, we will first find what b is, right? So we have a plus 3 over b, or let us use, we can use one of these equations. So let us use one of the previous equations. We'll substitute a and then find b. Okay, so let me use the very first one. So this equation, okay, I didn't number it, so let me 0 number. Okay, let this be equation number 0. So in that equation, I will substitute a as 1 over 4. Okay, so I'll substitute 1 over 4. So I have a plus 3b equals to 3 over 4. I am substituting a as 1 over 4, right? So I'm writing 1 over 4 plus 3b equals to 3 over 4, or 3b equals to 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4, and that is 2 over 4 or half. Is it okay? So b is equals to 1 over 2 times 1 over 3, that is 1 over 6. So we get b as 1 over 6. Now, since b is 1 over 6, we say b equals to 1 over 6. That means y is equals to 6, correct? Or you could say 1 over y. So y is equals to 6. So we get both the values of x and y, and our answer is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 6. So see how by substituting a as 1 over 6 and b as 1 over y, we could solve for these variables so easily. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.